How to enable memories on Messenger chats. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the memories feature on Messenger chats. For that, you will need to ensure that your Messenger application is up to date to the latest version. You may check it via App Store or the Google Play Store. Now once your application is up to date, you will need to simply open your Messenger application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Now here you will need to tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. Simply tap on it and then you will be able to access this sidebar. In this menu at the top right, you will be able to locate the settings or the gear icon next to your profile name. Simply tap on it and now you will need to scroll down under preferences. There you will be able to locate the memories option. Once you find it, simply tap on it to open it. Now inside it, here you will need to find the memories option and the toggle button at the right side of it. Now in order to enable memories, you will need to simply turn on the toggle button at the right side of this memories option. Simply tap on it to turn it on. By doing so, now you can revisit past moments from your chat such as photos or videos directly within the messenger. The photos, videos and messages from your chats will be used to create the memories. So this is how you can enable memories feature on Messenger chats. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.